This morning I'm gonna be doing a diagnostic on this engine. It's not starting, has a problem. Gonna take the starter out and check the gear ring and everything. But look, the first thing that I found: no security on the ramp, hot ramp, no pin, no bolt, no nothing. We have to be careful when we're working in boats because we don't know what we're gonna find. Uh, this is dangerous, really dangerous. Um, Doing this is really a problem. This is the starter. After we remove it, you can see how corroded it is on the start. The stud here broke on me when I was trying to remove it. You can see the mark of the water covered the spark plug, so I'm gonna remove one of the spark plugs. It's not rusted inside, but I want to see water getting there. I put my little baby camera in there, and I could see the tooth are good. It's corrosion. You can see it is a lot of rusted because the salt water got in there, but it's not missing any tooth or nothing. The customer never tell you the whole story. Let's see if I can position my camera here. I put my socket in there, and look, it's completely loose. I'm taking it out with my hand, not even tied. So I'm guessing somebody else checked this engine already. Anyway, let me see what is in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got rust. We got rust on the spark plug. That's rust. Let me put my camera in the piston and see what I can see. Okay, the port side bank is good. It's no rust on it. None of them. This is the first one in the port. It's piston number 1. This is the last one on this bank, and they're good. There's no water in there. Where I see a lot of corrosion is in the manifold. You can see it's completely well in there. Look at the head of the bolt. That last bolt is completely done. And I don't think the water was coming from here. Even when I see a lot of rust on this side, so the water could be coming from here. But it's a lot of rust on this engine. Oh, look at that coil. Look how nice that coil is. Coil has to be replaced too. You can see the difference between the first spark plug, how rusted it is, and the last one that doesn't have any rust. Here was a little bit of water intrusion in this piston. Not a lot. I put my camera in there, and it's nothing. But yeah, definitely in the first piston was water. The last piston on the same bank was nothing. Now we can see how rusted is the coil. It's flow completely from the salt water. So I'm gonna remove this eraser and check inside because I know the water was coming from here, from the bottom, this side. You can see the water all over here. There's a lot of rust here. So this boot had to be changed too, swallow completely. What's telling me that this riser is completely corroded inside. Let's see if I am right. Let's take it apart. Oh yeah. Well, how clogged it is, the water passage. The bottom one is not bad, but the top one is completely fucked. And look at the manifold, the riser. Look at the auto sensor in there. I will replace the two risers and the two manifolds. Well, I removed the riser. You can see that is clogged completely, the manifold. I think that's what created the pressure, and you can see how the water was running through here. Everything, you can see the leak of the water because it's a lot of pressure here when it's coming out, and when have this exhaust closed, the water have to go on the Y pipe and create a lot of pressure. Look at the coil, how destroyed it is. It's completely. Next step is start ordering parts and talk to the customer and order everything. We order everything and start putting it together, make it run like new.